So we are starting the new room on Hack Me networking concepts as we seen in the previous video. Task number 1, introduction. Have you ever wondered why you need an IP address to access the internet? It is true that an IP address can uniquely identify the user. Are you curious to learn what the life of a packet looks like? If the answer is yes, let's dive in. This room is the first room in a series of 4 rooms dedicated to introducing the user to vital networking concepts and the most common networking protocols. Networking concepts, networking essentials, core protocols, and secure protocols. Room prerequisites. This room expects that you know terms such as IP address and TCP port number. However, we don't expect that the reader is able to explain such terms in proper technical depth. If you are unfamiliar with these terms, please consider joining the pre-security path. Learning objectives. By the time you finish this room, you will have learned about the following: ISO OSI model, IP addresses, subnets, and routing, TCP, UDP, and port numbers, how to connect to an open TCP port from the command line. Answer the questions below. Get your notepad ready and let's begin.